Hi everyone, welcome back to Larem Designer. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create awesome outline text for your video. It's super easy and show you step by step. Let's start. First thing we do is upload your video. So here I have uploaded my video, so I'll just bring it here. I will scale it a little bit like this. Okay. So my video is 11.7 seconds. So I'll make it about 5 seconds to do that. Very simple. Just click here and let's start from the when the girl is moving from this one here. So I will just from this one and we end it and she stop. Okay, spin it. Okay, 6 about 5 seconds. 5 9 okay 0.9 and we click done. The next thing we do is we duplicate our video. To do that, very simple, just by holding Alt or by just moving here, click duplicate, or by using the shortcut is Ctrl plus D. Okay, I need to make the two video that are in the same position. To do that, we select the first and the second like this and right click. You can see here a line, so just to the left and we do it again to the top. Like this, we have to the video in the same position. So now let's just remove the background of the first video here. Now let's add our text. Just go to text and headline and let's write just go. Okay, let's change the font to double breath. This one here. Okay. Let's change the color to pink, for example. And let's duplicate the same text. And we do the same. We select the two of them by holding the shift. Select the two of them, right click, and align to the top. And voila, like this, we have the two in the same position. Now let's select position here and we change here the one text under and the other above. And we change here. So the top text, let's change, let's make some effect. We go to effect and select hello. And voila, like you see now, we have this effect. And now, if you can see, hello. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment. Also, subscribe to my channel for more video like this.